Hello! Hello! Welcome back to House of Manners. In today's video, we shall be taking an adventure together, adventure south as we head to the great state of Florida. There, we will meet up with our special friend Jeremiah Ford, who, unbeknownst to himself, is receiving an award today. You see, he is the first grand champion of the House of Manners Muletown Whiskey Challenge, and he today will be receiving his glorious award. He doesn't even know it yet. So let's go south together. We'll see you there.
Fairy tales can come true. It can happen to you if you're young at heart. For it's hard, you will find, to be narrow of mind if you're young at heart. You can go to extremes with impossible schemes.
Garçon. Garçon, the door. Garçon. Tell you what, I don't know why I keep him around if every time I need him, he is nowhere to be found. This isn't the first time this has happened. Garçon! Tell you what, you want something done right. Yes, hello? Hello? Pesky children playing games at... What's this? Robert, my old friend. Not now, Garçon. I'm still angry with you. All right, my friend Robert. Let's see here. Yes. Oh, I can't wait. Cannot wait. What is this? Man, what in the... What? You shouldn't have. Protective film. This is perfect. This will go great with my new outfit. Grand champion. That's me. Grand champion. Garçon! Garçon! Grand champion, Garçon.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the French.
Jeremiah, glad to see you enjoying that beautiful trophy. In other news today, House of Manners has been recently endorsed by someone also very famous. Perhaps you've heard of him, one Donald J. Trump. Yes, the president loves House of Manners, and he recently weighed in on Jeremiah's victory. Let's go there now. Good to be here. Very good to be here. A lot going on. A lot of beautiful things happening in the world today. We'll take questions. Go ahead.
Mr. President, what do you think about Jeremiah Ford winning the House of Manners Championship?
Well, I was invited. We were going to go. We were going to do big things there. Unfortunately, we couldn't go. Jeremiah, somebody had to win. If I was going to be there, I would have won. Somebody had to win. Jeremiah, great guy. A lot of class. Got a lot of taste. He's a beautiful person. Very proud of him, very happy for him. I think his reign will be a good one. It'll be a very, very good one, actually, if you think about it. House of Manners, big name. That's a very, very big name right now. A lot of people are talking about the House of Manners, doing a lot of whiskey content. Beautiful, beautiful whiskey content. Maybe some of the very, very best whiskey content on the planet right now. Cigars, pipes, tobacco, beautiful, beautiful person. And I think that big future. We've seen big, very big, very big. Other people, total disaster. But House of Manners, that's where it's at. You gotta go watch the House of Manners. You gotta subscribe. You gotta like, subscribe. You gotta join that community, beautiful people, bringing it all together, coming together with good old, what's the word? Camaraderie. They have a lot of camaraderie there, a lot of good people, a lot of good faces. So go subscribe, go hit the like button, do all those things. And Jeremiah Ford, great guy. Idiots, they're a bunch of idiots. They're good idiots though, beautiful idiots, wonderful idiots. We like the idiots with class. We like idiots with no class. We don't like idiots with no class. We like the idiots with class, not the ones that have no class. So make sure you go subscribe and watch them as well. I hear they've got a live stream coming up Monday. It's on Mondays, I believe. Monday, 8:30 Central Time, possibly. Go check them out. Beautiful people, beautiful people. But we will see you next time. I've got to go, got to run. God bless America.
Thank you, Mr. President. Anyway, so that's all we have for House of Manners today. I hope Jeremiah enjoys his gift. And as always, the House of Manners represents class, sophistication, and style. We'll see you next time.
Hey, thank you so much for watching. So glad you got to come and hang out with us a little bit today. Big shout out to my boy Jeremiah Ford, Idiots with Class, for doing that video. He really didn't know what was in the box till he opened it, which was good to get his reaction. It's very, very fun. Big shout out to him. Big shout out tomorrow night, Monday night, is episode 2, Idiots with Manners, 8:30 Central Time. Make sure you're there. We will be doing a complete Muletown wrap up, and who knows what else we will be talking about. So as always, thank you so much for your support. Please, while you're here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It really does help the channel. We want to thank you so much for all your support. Until next time, peace.